allowed to record or take photos in a post office.
Are you familiar with Poster 7?
Yes. What is your name?
I'm not wish to give it.
Okay. Can you get me off of your camera, please?
I don't want you to record me or anything either, so you're probably going to have to step out of her office. Please do not record me.
I have the right to record.
No, you do not have the right to
advertising
record me,
purposes.
sir.
If you're not going to cause disruption, you're going to have to leave, please.
Well, let's go in and take a closer look. Gather more content for our investigation. Some signage. "1958, United States Post Office, Dwight D. Eisenhower, President of the United States, Arthur E. Summerfield, Postmaster General." P.O. Box mail by 11:30 a.m. Here's all your post office boxes. And here is Poster 7. Here's your firearms. No firearms or dangerous weapons. They're prohibited. Here's your Poster 7, and photographs for news, advertising, or commercial purposes is permitted. And look at the plastic they've got up here.
Hi.
They've got plastic. They've got. You know, have you? Okay, you got some nice plexiglass here.
Are you recording? I don't think you're allowed to record in a post office.
Pardon me?
You're not allowed to record or take photos in a post office.
Are you familiar with Poster 7?
Yes.
Your rules and regulations governing conduct on postal service property?
Okay, but you can't take pictures back here.
You want to read your Poster 7? Where it says photographs for news, advertising, and commercial purposes is
Is there
permitted?
something I can help you with in here?
Sure. Right now I'm gathering some content, but yeah, just here in a moment. I'd like to get some stamps here in a moment, please.
Okay.
Sounds like you're being a little bit snappy with me.
No,
That's all.
I'm just being...
It's
letting you know about
okay to-
regulations with the photography.
And I'm letting you know about Poster 7.
Okay, where at on Poster 7 does it say that?
It says it's out here. It's posted out here. You got it. Now your post off. Yeah.
Okay.
You want to take a look at it?
I've got one back here.
Yeah. This is what I do. I go around and Are you new at the post office, or
No, I am not.
could I get your name, please?
Yep, my name is Sarah.
Thanks, Sarah. It's up
You
here.
have to get permission from the postmaster.
Under certain specific conditions.
What's
Only
your
under
name?
certain areas. Huh?
What is your name?
I'm not wish to give it.
Okay. Can you get me off of your camera, please?
Well, I'd like
appreciate it.
to. I'd like to get some.
All right.
Stamps,
Let
please.
me call my boss real quick.
And again, I'm just here gathering content for news and advertising, commercial purposes. I'd like to get a few stamps, and I'd be on my way.
Okay.
Warning sign. There's some of your different packaging supplies.
Hey, Lonnie, I've got a gentleman in here with a recorder and camera taking pictures. Okay.
She's calling her manager right now and reporting us or asking questions.
That's all I needed to hear.
She's doing the right thing and calling a superior, a supervisor, and
Okay, gotcha.
they seem to be filling her in on.
Okay, perfect. That's all I needed to know. Thank you. Bye. Okay, what kind of stamps do you need?
What'd she say? Your supervisor say we're okay?
What kind of stamps do you need?
I'd like to know what your supervisor said if we're okay,
That's
because
not your business, sir.
well, there
What
may
kind
be
of
other
stamps?
people that come in here and do this, so I'm just like to.
Well, that's perfectly fine. What kind of stamps would you like?
I'd like to get some 3 1-cent stamps. I need 2 2-cent stamps, and I need 1 3-cent stamp. If you have them, anything's
I
fine.
have all of those stamps.
Oh, great. Some post offices don't always have them, so
3 1-cent stamps.
yes. 1 or 2 2-cent stamps, and 1 3-cent stamp. Okay, so you guys have a requirement for masks in here? Or?
Yes, we do.
Okay. I see you didn't have a mask on when you first came up to service me.
No, because I was 6 feet away. 2 2-cents.
2 2-cents and 1 3-cent stamp, please. So, is it postal rules for you guys to wear masks, or?
And is that all I can get for you today? Those 3?
Do you have any of your $1 Red Fox stamps in today?
I have dollar stamps. They're not Red Fox.
Yeah. Oh, those ones? No thanks. I was looking for the Red Fox stamp today.
What else can I get for
That's
you?
all I need today.
10 cents.
Can I get those in a envelope, please?
I don't have one here. They
Okay.
don't supply small offices with those.
Every place I've been to, they always have them. They have the
The Albion Post Office does, but Concord and Springport do not. There's your
every
receipt.
place I've been to has them all around the country, so I've never run into a place that hasn't had them.
Apologize, I'm out.
You don't have any any of your wax envelopes?
I do not have any wax envelopes.
Huh. Interesting. Okay, so
Okay,
yeah. Thanks.
thank you. Have a nice day.
I'm not gonna be in your way.
I don't want you to record me or anything either, so you're probably gonna have to step out of the, out of her office. Please do not record me.
I have the right to record.
No, you
for
do not
news and
have the right to
advertising
record me,
purposes.
sir.
If you're
Can
gonna
I-
cause disruption, you're gonna have to leave, please. How can I help you?
Can I get a money order? I need a $100 money order. Was the crazy people out today or something?
And then it's just envelope
No.
10125.
Okay, thank you. That's just crazy. I don't get it. You said 5 cents is the change, honey?
25.
25? Okay. Thank you so much.
Do you want your receipt?
Yeah, I'll take the receipt.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. You know, he's just weird.
Have a good day. Okay, so it's okay for her to take pictures, but I'm weird for taking pictures. Like that's the way people are sometimes.
If you
But
don't have any more
we're gonna-
business, you need to leave, please.
well, I'm gathering news content for my
You're
store.
not doing any business transactions. You cannot be in my lobby, please.
Well, I'm gathering news content. That's my business here. Just like your boss told you, right? I think you should follow your Poster 7 rules.